Good morning students. Today I am going to do practice Bhastrika Pranayam in yoga. Bhastrika Pranayam is performed in 4 stages. How many stages? 4 stages. Today I am going to do practice first and second stage. How to do perform first stage? First of all, sit in Padmasana position like this. Keep your body, neck and head erect like this. Rest the palm on the knees like this. Now close the left nostril with ring finger like this. Inhale and exhale through the right nostril with full force like this. After 10 expulsions, final expulsion should be followed by deep but slowly inhalation like this. Hold the breath according to the capacity. Then exhale very slowly through the left nostril and relax. First stage has completed. How to do perform second stage? Sit in Padmasana position. Keep the body, neck and head erect. Rest the palm on the knees. Now close the right nostril with thumbs like this. Start inhalation and exhalation through the right nostril with full force. After 10 breathe. Inhale deeply but slowly from the left nostril. Hold the breath according to the capacity. Then exhale very slowly through the left nostril and relax. Second stage has completed. Benefits of Bhastrika Pranayam. Benefits of Bhastrika Pranayam. The practice of this asana cured many disorders in the systems. It cures deadly diseases such as asthma, TB, cough, malfunctioning of the liver, burning sensation in the chest and gastric disorder, etc. It rectifies swelling of the throat and indigestion. Okay, limitation. Those persons suffering from high BP should not perform. Heart patient should not perform. I will do practice third stage and fourth stage in next class. Okay? Thank you.